Hello, Jake. Are you excited about today's lesson?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I am looking forward to it. What's the topic?
Today, we're going to talk about shopping and prices.
Shopping? Sounds fun. Do you like shopping?
I love shopping. I enjoy finding good deals. What about you?
I like shopping too. I love looking for sales.
Great. Today, we'll practice shopping conversations. Let's start with some examples.
Okay, how do we begin?
First, let's listen to a short conversation between two people shopping.
Sounds good. What are they talking about?
They're discussing prices and discounts at a store.
Got it. I'm ready.
All right, let's start our dialogue. Imagine you're at a clothing store.
Sure. Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
This shirt is 20 pounds. Would you like to buy it?
That's a bit much. Is there a discount?
Yes, there's a 20% discount today.
That's better. How much is the shirt with the discount?
It's 16 pounds after the discount.
I think I can afford that. Can I pay with a card?
Yes, we accept card payments. Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please. I always keep my receipts.
That's a good habit. Here's your receipt and your change.
Thank you. I'll remember this store for next time.
I'm glad. Now, let's talk about the key vocabulary we used.
Sure, what words did we use?
We used receipt, discount, change, afford, and sale.
Can you give us some examples of these words?
Of course. Here are some examples. I found my receipt in my bag.
Got it. What about discount?
The store has a big discount on shoes this week.
And change.
I received my change after paying for the groceries.
Great. What does afford mean?
If you can afford something, you have enough money for it.
I see. What is a sale?
A sale means items are cheaper for a limited time.
Thanks for explaining. I feel more confident now.
Let's practice more. Imagine you're in a supermarket.
All right, excuse me, how much is this apple?
That apple costs £1. Would you like to buy it?
That's affordable. I'll take 2 apples.
Great choice. Do you want a bag for your apples?
Yes, please. What's the receipt for 2 apples?
The total is £2. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. And do you have discounts on other fruits?
Yes. Bananas are on sale today, 2 for £3.
Amazing. I'll get those, too.
Perfect. Let me pack them for you. Do you need any change?
No, I brought enough money. I can afford this.
That's great. Here's your change, and thank you for shopping here.
Thank you. I'll come back for more fruits. This store is fantastic.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Now, let's look at our vocabulary again.
I would love to see that again.
Remember, receipt. I like to keep my receipt after shopping.
Next is discount, right?
You can find great discounts during holiday sales.
And what about change?
Can you count the change I gave you earlier?
Got it. What's next?
Afford means, I can't afford that expensive dress.
And for sale.
There is a sale on shoes this weekend. Don't miss it.
This is really helpful. What do we review next?
Let's do a quick review. Here are some practice questions.
Okay, I'm ready.
Question 1. What do you get when you buy something?
A receipt.
Correct. Question 2. What do we call it when prices are lower?
A discount.
Yes. Question 3. If you buy something, what do you sometimes get back?
Change.
Excellent. Question 4. If I can afford something, what does it mean?
I have enough money.
Very good. Last question. What is a sale?
When things are cheaper.
Perfect. You did really well today. Let's close this lesson.
Thank you, Emma. I learned a lot. What's our next topic?
Our next lesson will be about food and eating out. Exciting, isn't it?
Yes, I can't wait. See you next time.